Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. I am your computer teacher for class 8. Now I have shared some instruction. Don't raise hand during the teaching. Ask question at the end of the session only on a chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and the headphone for computer use. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of time attending the class. Home task should be done in your fair copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join teaching again with 5 to 10 minutes. Now I have shared the steps to take a screenshot. For taking screenshot of your computer screen, follow these steps. Identify any any and press the print screen button which is placed above numeric keys. Open Paint software, then press Ctrl V, then press Ctrl S and save it in your computer. For taking screenshot through your smartphone, search the step of taking screenshot on the Google. Now, I have started the chapter 1 introduction to Axis 2013. Chapter number 1 introduction to Axis 2013. It is your new book, new keyboard book. Now, today our topic is our database. What is a data? Data is a collection of fact and figure is called data, and raw fact and figure is called data. Now, what is a database? A database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Computer database typically contain aggregation of the data record or files containing information about sales, transactions, or interaction with specific customers. In a relational database, digital information about a specific customer is organized into row, column, and table, which are indexed to make it easier to find relevant information. Now, there are following types of the database. Uh, First one is a hierarchical database, network database, relational database, object-oriented database. It is an element of the database, hierarchical database, network database, relational database, and object database. First one is a hierarchical database. Hierarchical database model is a data model in which the data are organized into the tree-like structure. The data are stored as a record which are connected to one another through links. A record is a collection of fields, with each field containing only one value. The type of the record define which field the record contain. The hierarchical database model mandated that each child record has only one parent, whereas each parent record can has one or more child record. In order to retrieve data from a hierarchical database, the whole tree need to be traversed starting from the root node. This model is recognized as the first data model created by the IBM in the 1960s. IBM abbreviation of International Business Machine. International Business Machine. It is a company. In the hierarchical model, data is organized as a invented tree. Each entire has only one parent but can have several children. At the top of the hierarchy, there is one entity which is called the root. Now, example of the hierarchical database is department, name of the department, and the number, serial number, and the name of the student. Department, number, and the name of the student. We have divided into department two category. Number one is courses and number two is the student. Number one is the courses. Courses is divided into serial number and name and unit. Serial number, name and unit. And the student name, student ID and the name and courses. We have divided into three categories. Number one is ID and the student name and student courses. And the courses we have divided into two types. Number one is professors, name of the professor, ID, and the name of ID. These are all the hierarchical database model. Okay. Now, next heading is a network database. A network database. A network database is a type of the database model where in multiple member recorded or the file can be linked to multiple owner file and the vice versa. The model can be used as an upside down tree where each member information is the branch linked to the owner, which is the bottom of the tree. Essentially, a relationship are in a net link form where is a single element can be point to multiple data element and can be itself be point to be the multiple data element. Now, this is a structure of the network database. First one is a store. A store can be divided into three categories. Number one is a client, and number two is a supervisor, and number three is a worker. Client can be also divided into client and supervisor, also divided into order, and the worker can be divided into item. And next heading is a relational database. Relational database invented by E.F. Coates at the IBM in 1970. IBM abbreviation of International Business Machine is a tabular database in which data is defined so that it can be recognized and the accessed in the number of different ways. Relational databases are made up of the set of tables with data that fit into the predefined category. Each table has a list one data category in a column and each row has a creation data instant for the categories which are the defined in the column. The structure query language SQL is abbreviation of structure query language. Is the standard user and application program interface for a relational database. Relational database are easy to extend and a new data category can be added after the original database creation without requiring that you modify all the existing applications. Next heading is a object-oriented database. Object-oriented database. Object-oriented database item created using object-oriented programming languages are often stored in the relational database, but object-oriented database are well suited for those items. An object-oriented database is organized around object rather than the action and the data rather the logic. For example, a multimedia recorded in a relational database can be definable data object as the opposed to and the alphanumeric values. Okay, next topic is a DBMS. What is the full form of the DBMS? What is the abbreviation of DBMS? The full form of DBMS, MS is a data, D for data, B for base, database, M for management, and S for system. Database management system. Full form of the DBMS of database management system. What is the definition of database management system? A database management system, DBMS, is a software package designed to define, manipulate, retrieve, and manage data in a database. A DBMS generally manipulates the data itself, the data format, field name, record structure, and file structure. It also defines rules to validate and manipulates this data. Database management system are the set of on specific data handling concept as the practice of the administrating a database wells. The earliest database only handled individual signals, pieces of specially formatted data. Today's more involved system can be handled different kinds of the less formatted data and tie them together in more elaborate ways. A database management system is a set of programs that allow user to create the database and also allow to access, modify, print, add, and delete the data from the database. There are different types of database management system software. First one is a bearing case your vision and the Microsoft Access, and it is a part of the MS Office, MySQL, and the IBM abbreviation of the International Business Machine, and the MySQL SQL abbreviation of the Structured Query Language, and the Oracle, it is a database. These all are the database management system software. Next heading is a MySQL. What does SQL stand for? SQL stand for S for structure, Q for query, L for language. Structure, query, language. Structure, query, language. It is a database computer language designed for the retrieval and management of data in a relational database. SQL stands for structure, query, language. This territory will be giving you a quick start in SQL. It covers most of the topics required for the basic understanding of the SQL and the get of the feel of how it works. SQL is a structured query language, which is a computer language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data stored in the relational database. SQL is the standard language for the relational database system. All the relational database management system link MySQL, MS Access, MS abbreviation of Microsoft Access, Oracle's, it is a database, Sybase, it is also database, Informatics, Postgres, and the SQL Server use SQL as their standard database language. Also, they are using different and dialects such as MS SQL Server using TSQL, Oracle using PL SQL, Microsoft Access version of the SQL is called Jet SQL, native format, etc. Now, advantages of the MySQL database. MySQL database is released under an open source license, so you have nothing to pay to use it. MySQL is a very powerful program in its own right. It handles a large subset of the functionality of the mostly expensive and the powerful database packages. Number three is MySQL uses a standard form of the well-known SQL data language. MySQL work on many operating system and with many languages including PHP, PERL, C, C++, Java, etc. Now, next heading is a Oracle. Oracle database product offer customer cost optimized and the high performance version of the Oracle database. The world leading coverage multi-model database management system as well as in memory. NoSQL and the MySQL database, Oracle Atomos database available on the premises via Oracle Cloud at the rate customer on in the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Enable customer is a simplify relational database environment and the reduce management workload. Advantages of using Oracle. Oracle has many benefits and the function that creates it well known and thereby creates it as the world's biggest company application organization. Oracle comes with new edition with new functions applied in new edition while the function of the previously edition still being managed. Next heading is Microsoft SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server is widely used in enterprise development. MSSQL is a scalable data platform which includes several ETL, extract, transform, and loaded tools and the reporting services where data can be added, modified, and queries using and the standardized structure query language SQL. This is a file edit view debugging tools Windows community help. And how can we start the Connect server to Object Explorer and the click in and click the connected. And the next heading is a MS SQL Server, advantage of the MS SQL Server. Installation in the streamlined security feature are the better enhanced performance, lower cost of the ownership. Next heading is a MongoDB. DB abbreviation of database, Mongo database. It is widely used in the enterprises development. MSSQL is a scalable data platform which includes several MongoDB is a popular among new developers due to its flexibility and the ease of use. Even though it is easy to use, it still provides all the capability needed to meet in the complex requirement of modern application. A lot of developer like Mongo because it store all of its documents in the JSON. Advantages of the MongoDB. Very flexible document. It is a very flexible document. It is very flexible queries. It is full text search 2.4 inches. Aggregations framework, geo-separatical indexes query, really good documentation. These all are the advantages of MongoDB. Next heading is a Visual Foxflow. Visual Foxflow. Visual Foxflow was a Microsoft data-centric procedural programming language that subsequently became object-oriented. It was a derived from the Foxflow, originally known as the Foxbase, which was developed by a Fox Software beginning in the 1984. Fox Technologies merged with the Microsoft in 1992, after which the software acquires further features and the prefix Visual. Foxflow 2.6 work on the Mac operating system and DOS disk operating system, Windows and Unix. It is a software we have used the data, document, class library, code and other. It is a Microsoft Visual Foxflow. Now, Visual Foxflow, advantage of the Visual Foxflow, there are the lot of reasons to use Visual Foxflow as an integrated development environment for the data-centric apps. Now, next heading is a IBM DB2. IBM abbreviation of International Business Machine, and DB is the abbreviation of database. The IBM is a database product for the IBM. It is a relational database management system, RDBMS. Database 2 is designed to store, analyze, and retrieve the data efficiently. Database product is extended with the supported of the object-oriented feature and the non-relational structure with XML. Now, IBM DB2 advantages of the IBM. DB2 is typically less expensive to purchase and has a lower total cost of the ownership. Cross-platform capability. It is data migration tools for the MS SQL and the Oracle, supported for the both Java and the Microsoft.NET. Integration with other IBM software solution, data warehousing and business intelligence tool. Next heading PostgreSQL. It is a highly stable database management system backed by the more than 20 years of the community development, which has contributed to its high level of the resilience, integrity, and the correctness. PostgreSQL is used as the primary data store or the data warehouse for the many web, mobiles, geosepharatical, and the analytical application. Advantages of the PostgreSQL. It is a flexible point of the time for the switch and minimal downtime less organizational overhead. Now, impact of the production DB, DB abbreviation or database. Now, next heading, human resources management. Uh, what is the human resources management? Uh, it is a uh, it is the process of employing people, training them, compensating them, and developing politics relating to the workplace and the developing strategy to return employees. Now, function of the DBMS abbreviation of database management system, data dictionary management, and the data store management, and data transformation and the presentation. And number 4 is security management. Number 5 is backup and the recovering management, and the data integrity management and database access language and the application program interface, and database communication interface, and the transaction management. Next heading is the benefits of the database management system, DBMS. Number 1 is data redundancy, control data inconsistency, and the facilitate sharing of the data, enforce standard, ensure data security, and maintain integrity. Now, next heading is a data redundancy. Data redundancy means duplication of the data. For example, a school may have to separate files to maintain student record, one with student addresses and other with their phone number. A database management system integrate these two files into the single database files. Now the data is stored at the single place in the database, hence data duplication is reduced or the virtually elementary. And the next heading is control data inconsistency. Suppose student addresses are stored in two files, bus information and the fees information. A student inform the bus in charge about a charge in the address, so the new address will be reflected in the bus information file, but the same charge may be not be met in the fees information files. Now, next heading is a facilitates sharing of the data. Different user can use the same data as extract data based on their individual need. Next heading is a enforce standard. A database management system make it possible to apply create a standard in data representation. These standard could be an organization on a standard on the national international standard. Ensure data security. In the database management system, the database administrator has complete control over the database and ensure data that the data is accessible only authorized people. Different categories that authorized to only view the data, while other may have to be authority to modify data too. Next heading is a maintains integrity. A database supported data integratedly support a database contain information about the marks scored by the student in an examination. If the maximum mark in the 100, you can have role to make sure that the database accept number only in the range of 0 to 100. No. Next heading is a home task. Number 1 is write the full name of the database management system. What is the database? What is the DBMS? And write the definition of the DBMS with example. And question number 3, write the types of the DBMS and explain its types. DBMS abbreviation of Database Management System.